What's up, guys? Welcome back to my fishing adventure. What the fuck? Anyways, today we're gonna catch some fish. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna cast the reel in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was actually a horrible cast. I don't expect to get anything.
A few moments later.
So at least.
Oh, wait, I got something. Oh my gosh. Anything. This is a horrible fishing
Hey,
trip.
you!
Yeah?
Yeah, you! Closer! Come closer! You know you have to have an HOA to fish here, right?
Stranger danger, stranger danger! Oh my god! Jeez. The nerve on some people.
5 minutes later.
Slake.
Hey, you! Yeah,
Again.
I'm back. And I got these gals with me. And... Yo! That won't work on us anymore. No! No! You monster!
Man, oh!
You're a monster!
Call the police! Call the police! Oh.
You're a monster!
Oh!
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh! Ugh. Come on! Oh! I got something! No way! I got a crab! We put him out of his misery. Oh!
Dawn does. What about Toy Bonnie?
Oh, we had the same idea.
Oh wait, no, how?
I don't know.
Was you recording that?
Yes!
Keep that in or something, like a blooper or something.
You have to say you're, a transgender person, woman.
What do you mean?
I'm kidding. Anyways.
I just seen a LaShonda in the background run into the dark room.
We gotta kill her. We gotta kill her. Where is she? Who does Blood think she is?
I just seen it in the background.
Oh!